It is day 3 and our plans today did not go as planned. We were supposed to go to the island of Culebra, and because of issues with the water, like it's too choppy, we can't go there, so we're gonna go on, it was supposed to be an ATV, but it's not an ATV, and I think essentially it's a dune buggy. I could be wrong though. Through the rainforest. So yeah, let's go. This is today's outfit. I think it's cute. I'm only showing the outfit because I'm about to cover it with a t-shirt. We got a little sunburn yesterday. I've only got some on my shoulders. Preston and Alex are covered. So we are keeping covered up today because I don't have sunscreen. I have sunscreen on my face, but not on my shoulders. So we're getting a t-shirt. Maybe I'll wear Alex's Solar Bears t-shirt. I did. I think this might be daddy. We had the aircon on full blast all night, and I think everything's damp. Like, it's kind of weird, like this feels damp. It's kind of gross, if I'm honest. Go Bears. Let's go. We like Alex's sunglasses.
Do it. That's what we now got it. No.
I cannot breathe. Nice on the sunburn. You made it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna climb that along? I'm gonna climb that along.
Oh, these rocks are so sharp.
Somebody tie his pants up for it. Oh! You gotta let go, Adrian!
You almost had it.